Neighbors are helping neighbors in Manatee County as residents try to recover from flooding brought on by Debby. Both the county government and private businesses are gathering and distributing supplies as victims struggle for the very basics. Fox 13's Evan Axelbank is live in Lakewood Ranch at a site the county is set up for people to pick up supplies. Tell us about it, Evan.
I was under the impression that all of it was
about this storm is that very few residents expect it to have any kind of lasting impact. And now that it has, residents are gathering everything from water to blankets to bleach. To Courtney Dakin, each item
ramen and stuff to make peanut butter and jellies
represents the good in her community.
When somebody pulled up at 9 o'clock this morning and said, I have a truckload of stuff for you, and I was like, what?
As phone calls, news stories, and images hit their phones, the leaders of Dakin Dairy put out a call for action on Facebook. Within 24 hours, they had hundreds of pounds of essentials, canned goods, sports drinks, and toiletries.
It's extremely humbling, and it's extremely encouraging, too, that this community is that amazing.
Manatee County says they've calculated about $24 million in damage to residential homes and another $100,000 in damage to businesses. At one point, 60 families were taking shelter in county facilities. They've opened up 3 sites to distribute goods, including at the Manatee City Community Center on Rashula Road.
And sneak up on you. We hit our 100-year flood level, and so there are parts of the county that are flooded that hadn't flooded before.
The county site, which is also getting assistance from the federal government, features water, tarps, pet food, and ready-to-eat meals.
Here at this site, I think it's been fairly steady, but they are continuing to be restocked by the state and will continue to be here for as long as the need is there.
And the county sites in Manatee City and in Buffalo Creek and also Lakewood Ranch, where I am now, will be open from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m., as you heard, until there is no longer a need. Dakin is asking people to drop off donations there as opposed to going there to pick up supplies. They will then take the donations that are made and bring them to places that are in need. For more information on all that and where you can get supplies, you can head to our website, fox13news.com. Linda, back to you.
Yeah, that's a good thing, Evan. Neighbors helping neighbors. Thanks.